Hi everyone, Joe Vitale, American Retirement Advisors with the Gradient Investments weekly talking points for the week ending December 24th, 2021. We hope you and your families all had a wonderful Christmas as we spent some extra time with families. So let's get into stocks. We don't have a huge report today, but talking about what's happening. The U.S. markets continue to rally despite many analysts, despite what's happening in the economy. People are saying there could have a Santa Claus rally. We're seeing maybe even session highs and record highs for today. So we're seeing that rally toward the end of the year, which is commonly referred to as a Santa Claus rally. And we're starting to see it regardless of labor shortages and everything else going on. So we'll see how that goes out. So let's talk about the S&P. Was up 1.25% last week. It's now up 27.59% for a year to date. Small cap stocks, which is the Russell 2000, outperformed during the week and were up 4.15%. International stocks were less positive, with the developed markets, which is the EFA index, was up only 0.64%, while the emerging markets was down again 0.3% for the week. A lot of people talk about, hey Joe, especially we're big Dave Ramsey investors, and Ramsey wants 25 small cap, mid cap, large cap, international. Well, you know what? International, we're seeing some positive upside there, but we're still seeing more opportunities on the domestic side. So that's why we're keeping a lot of our stuff on the domestic side. For that reason, we see more opportunities, especially with the large companies and the large cap. So that's where a lot of our conversations have been of late. So we're always keeping an eye on that. So how about fixed income? U.S. aggregate bond performance was down 0.22% last week as the Treasury rates rose. The 2-year Treasury rate increased 5 basis points to end at 0.71, while the 10-year rose 9 basis points to end at 1.50%. Commodities, oil prices were up slightly, with West Texas crude ending the week at $73.79 per barrel, and gold prices continued to rally off an early December bottom, and they ended up at about $1,811 per ounce. In the economic data, the consumer confidence numbers increased in December, and November was revised upwards as well. And expectations regarding short-term growth improved. So despite the data that some businesses will scale back plans due to labor shortages, we still have 11 million people not in the job openings right now that need to be filled. So let's talk about company news. Paychex, which is a G50 holding, reported earnings that beat expectations, and revenue growth was up 13% year over year, while the earnings rose up 21%, and the stock was up $8.35 for the week. That's it for this week. Thanks for being part of the ARA family. Hope you have a safe and happy New Year's. Enjoy your family and friends. And of course, if you need to contact us, give us a call at 855-756-5700 or visit us at aradvisorsinc.com. God bless you and see you in the new year.